Hello, Mr. Fernandez. Yes, I understand that I need to sell more units by the end of the week. I'm at the building now. I'm about to start my run. All right. All right. Have a nice day, sir. God, fucking hangers.
Coming. What's up, man?
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah.
I'm with the Acme Housing Appliances Company. We just come out with a great brand new line of coat hangers.
Yes.
And I was wondering if you'd like a demonstration of our product this afternoon.
Hey, baby.
Who is this?
Ma'am, I'm from the Acme Housing Appliances Company.
No!
I need to sell one of these hangers.
Hello, son. How can I help you?
Well, ma'am, I'm from the Acme Housing Appliances Company. We just come out with a great new line of coat hangers, and I was wondering if you'd like a demonstration of our product today.
That sounds lovely. Why don't you come in?
Wait, really? You actually want me to give you a demonstration of the product?
Yeah, why not?
Oh, well, but, okay.
Would you like some chicken?
Yeah, I'd love. Wait, no. I'm here. I gotta give you my demonstration first off. Well, as you can see, some assembly is required on the part of the buyer, unfortunately. But that's why I'm here for the demonstration. I'm here to show you how to put these together. Well, ma'am, as you can see, we have the set comes with 2 poles, 2 deluxe poles, along with 4 hooks of a weird variety. The hooks we put right here, I think. Yeah, okay, that's... Ma'am? Ma'am?
Oh, yes.
Ta-da! Perfect.
Yeah, it's perfect. I'll buy it. How much is it?
Yes, thank you again, ma'am. You have just made my week. Yes, thank you. Have a nice day.
This is the best walk I ever got.